here to talk about rugby football. Presenting the junction by the Soccer Game, our international game of week November 11th, 2019. Rugby originated in England while a student named William Webb Ellis was playing a game of ball on the field. He decided to pick up the ball and run with it. Because of this, rugby football came about in 1823. Rugby is played all over the world. The rules and games started March 27, 1871. The team, Scotland versus England. Did you know? Men and women play rugby. It's not just a game for men, but women play just as well. And it's played in countries like Spain and Japan, Africa, Uruguay, just to name a few places that I did some research on. The headmaster at the School of Rugby, which is where the sport gets its namesake from, his name was Thomas Arnold, and he put rugby football on the map. And of course, the United States had to come up with their own version, which we know in the U.S. as football. Rugby has 15 players that either play forward or backwards. The players play on the field that they have nicknamed the pitch or the paddock. They have one referee and two touch judges that help make decisions about plays and what's right and wrong as the players play the game of rugby. They don't wear helmets. They even can wear cowboy boots with studs, which was very interesting to me. I really enjoyed that women play the game and that it's not just for men, that you can be rich or poor. It was a game that everybody played back in the 1800s and play with glee today. I hope you enjoy my international newsletter about the game of rugby.